Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to solve the following College Board practice problem. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the newest SAT math problems. Lastly, if there's something you have a question about, feel free to ask it in the comments below. Without further ado, let's do this. If 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 to the x power over 2 to the y power? First, they give us an equation, 3x minus y equals 12. Two variables.
Zoinks!
Then they give us 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y. It also has two variables.
Double zoinks!
How are we going to use this information to find the value of 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y? First things first, when you're being asked for the value of something, they generally want a number. Since we are presented with statements with multiple variables, we need to combine them and use substitution so that the variables can be taken out. Take them. So as we approach this problem, we're going to look for opportunities to simplify or rewrite the information so that we can more easily use them. The first thing we should simplify is this fraction, 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y. But with the way it's currently written, we can't do anything unless they shared a similar base. And they can.
Excellent!
We can rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3, since 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. From there, the resulting power 3 will multiply with the original power x, leaving us with 2 to the power of 3x over 2 to the power of y.
But wait, there's more!
Since both the top and bottom now share the same base, we can join them together into a single base and power by grabbing the power from the bottom and subtracting it from the power on top. And that's going to leave us with 2 to the power of 3x minus y. Now, we just need to get rid of those variables. We'll do this with the help of the equation 3x minus y equals 12. Alley-oop! Let's rearrange this equation so that we can more easily substitute it into the other statement. Since 3x is positive in this equation, let's move the y to the other side by adding y on both sides. From there, let's take this identity of 3x and replace the 3x in the power. Next, simplify the like terms. That's going to get rid of the variables and leave us with 2 to the power of 12, the final answer. For all you smarty pants out there, you might have seen something secret. Here it is. The equation was in the same form as the power of 2 that we ended up with. So we could have just replaced 3x minus y with what it equals based off the equation. 12. And that's it. Great job putting the work in. Now that you know how to solve today's problem, try your new skills on this one. I've left the answer in the description below. Like this video to let me know that it helped you out, and keep prepping for your SAT with the rest of my breakdowns. Later.